Hello, my name is Kенчешаова Amina. I am a first-year student of Saratov State Medical University. I study at the Faculty of Pediatrics. My report is devoted to one of the important topics in modern medicine, the use of a 3D printer, 3D modeling of the heart. 3D printing is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. 3D printing has been used in medicine since the early 2000s, when this technology was first used for the manufacture of dental implants. Since then, the use of 3D printing in medicine has expanded significantly. Doctors from all over the world describe ways to use 3D printing for the production of skeletal parts, heart, respiratory tract. 3D printing a heart in order to plan a surgery is helping surgeons to save time, which can be an important factor during complex interventions. As the surgeons know exactly what they have to do and how they have to do it, they just have to apply what they rehearsed before the actual surgery. Time is precious, both for the surgeons and the life of the patient, and 3D printing is helping to optimize it. Moreover, when it becomes possible to 3D print an artificial heart, ready for a heart transplant, the patient will not have to wait for a donation. Doctors could be able to prepare and print a new heart when the patient needs it. How is a 3D heart printed? You take images from a medical scan, such as a CT scan or MRI, and combine them so that you have a three-dimensional image of someone's heart on your computer. The file is sent to 3D printing specialists who check the file and then upload it to the 3D printer software. Technical specialists orient the heart and choose the material and surface finish. The device then applies tiny droplets to the surface, similar to a standard inkjet printer. But instead of ink, it uses tiny droplets of resin, which are then solidified using an ultraviolet lamp. The layering process is repeated until the heart is fully formed. Then the heart must be rinsed under pressure to get rid of excess resin and clean it. It can then be sent to a surgeon, cardiologist, or researcher who will need it. Researcher Claudio Capelli is conducting a study as part of the Great Ormond Street Hospital team. He is printing a life-size 3D version of his heart. He and his team created 3D copies of tiny hearts of children with congenital heart disease. The use of a 3D printer is possible not only abroad, but also in our country, so Tomsk Polytechnic University has already begun work on finding a heart material that will be close to living tissue in its characteristics, so that surgeons can train on it, cut, stitch, remove defects with standard medical instruments. Whatever it was, but at the moment, the achievements of cardiac surgery save the lives of patients in the real time, as well as 3D modeling is actively and successfully used in other medical fields. I believe that the chosen topic is very relevant at the moment. Medicine does not stand still, and the development of 3D modeling allows modern doctors to perform very complex operations, including on the heart. That's it. Thank you for your attention.